Yes, we are entering Popeye's Chicken. We are on Jamaican Girl TV. Hi, how are you? We're a YouTube sensation, so I'm gonna buy some chicken. Jamaican Girl TV.
It's on the phone, but want to pay here. Want to pay here. Yeah.
We cannot do it like that. We have to do it We're just waiting, guys, to buy food and stuff.
This is Jamaican Girl TV. Just getting some chicken. Just subscribe, like, and share.
Coleslaw, mashed potatoes.
Yeah, coleslaw, mashed potatoes. Buy now.
Anything else? Cash or card? 27.55.
Yep. This is Jamaican Girl TV, just walking. Yeah, we in King of Prussia, just getting some stuff done. This is the most biggest stores, most biggest store in Philadelphia. More biggest plaza, King of Prussia Mall. We are at the food court right now. Yep. I with Jamaican Girl TV. See the mall, this is a food court. It's so big. Yeah, we's here, guys. Getting some food, some Popeyes with Jamaican Girl TV. Yeah, she is
Hi,
just,
how are you? We're waiting for food.
yeah. This is Popeye. Oh wow. One of the most, that was $5. Yeah, it's so nice. So when you come in the United States, just come to Philadelphia. Yeah, we can take you to King of Prussia Mall right here. Yep, it's one of the most biggest restaurant right now. Yeah. No, need orange. Yeah. Orange with water. Give me water. Water. Yeah. Yeah.